Welcome to this full factory documentary. Today we will explore the complete manufacturing process of an electric scooter. From raw materials to final testing, you will see every step inside a modern production factory. Electric scooters are becoming very popular around the world. They are eco-friendly, save fuel, and reduce pollution. Companies like Xiaomi, Segway, and NIU manufacture millions of electric scooters every year. Now let's start the journey inside the factory. Large trucks arrive at the factory. They carry steel pipes, aluminum sheets, plastic granules, rubber, electronic parts, and battery cells. Workers unload the materials carefully. Each material is inspected for quality. Everything is stored in different sections of the warehouse. Engineers sit in front of computers. They design the scooter frame using CAD software. Every measurement is planned carefully. The design must be strong, lightweight, and safe. After final approval, the design goes to production. Steel and aluminum pipes move to the cutting section. Automatic laser cutting machines cut the metal according to design. The cuts must be perfect and smooth. Workers check the size using measuring tools. Now the metal parts move to welding. Robotic arms weld the frame together. The welding must be strong and clean. After welding, the frame structure is complete. Workers polish the welded frame. Sharp edges are removed. The surface becomes smooth. This prepares the frame for painting. The frame enters the paint booth. First, it is cleaned with chemicals. Then powder coating is applied. The frame goes into a high-temperature oven. After heating, the paint becomes strong and shiny. Lithium battery cells arrive from suppliers. Each cell is tested for voltage and safety. Only approved cells move to battery assembly. Workers connect battery cells together. They create a battery pack. A battery management system, BMS, is installed. The BMS controls charging and prevents overheating. The battery pack is sealed carefully. Electric motors are assembled. Copper coils are installed inside the motor. Magnets are fixed properly. The motor is tested for speed and power. The controller is like the brain of the scooter. Small circuit boards are assembled. Electronic chips are installed. The controller manages speed and power flow. The handlebar is made from aluminum. Rubber grips are installed. Brake levers and throttle are attached. Display screen is fitted. Rubber tires are fitted onto metal rims. Air pressure is checked. Wheel balance is tested. Disc brakes are installed. Brake cables are connected. Technicians test brake movement. Safety is very important. Now all parts move to the main assembly line. The painted frame is placed on conveyor belt. Workers stand on both sides. The electric motor is installed in the rear wheel. Bolts are tightened carefully. Wires are connected to controller. The battery pack is placed inside the deck. Protective covers are closed. Wires are safely connected. Controller is installed. All electrical wires are connected properly. System check is performed. LED headlight is installed. Rear brake light is attached. Digital display is tested. Speed indicator works properly. Technicians connect the scooter to a computer. Firmware is installed. Speed limits are programmed. System calibration is completed. Each scooter goes through inspection. Brakes are tested. Motor power is tested. Battery charging is checked. Nothing is skipped. Some scooters are tested on factory test track. Engineers ride the scooter. They check balance and performance. Scooters are sprayed with water. They test waterproof capability. Electrical safety is checked again. The scooter is cleaned. Dust is removed. Protective plastic wrap is applied. Scooters are folded, placed inside strong cardboard boxes. User manual and charger are added. Boxes are sealed carefully. Finished boxes are loaded onto trucks. They are shipped worldwide. From factory to customer, the electric scooter is ready for the road. This is how an electric scooter is made in a modern factory. From raw metal to finished product, every step requires precision and teamwork. Electric scooters help reduce pollution and make travel easy. Thank you for watching this full factory documentary. See you in the next video.